Hi everybody, welcome to Jupiter channel. I am Natya Hunsekuppa. In this video, I will solve a question paper problem. This was asked in 2019 in Gulbarga University. From the following balance sheets of Anil Company Limited as on 1/1/2017 and 1/1/2018, you are required to prepare funds flow statement. Balance sheets as at liabilities. So it should be read as liabilities. So this was a typo error. 1/1/2017, 1/1/2018. Assets 1/1/2017 and 1/1/2018. Equity share capital 6 lakhs, 8 lakhs. What does it mean? It is increased by 2 lakh rupees. So it is a source of fund. So fresh issue of share is done. So some additional share is issued and it has been paid up. General reserve 1 lakh, 1,60,000. 60,000 rupees was transferred to general reserve from previous year profit. So again we need to add this 60,000 rupees to profit to arrive at fund from operation. 1 lakh, 2 lakh P&L account balance. It is increased by 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh rupees is the profit earned during the year. Creditors 60,000, 1 lakh 20,000. It is increased by rupees 60,000. It means there is a decrease in working capital due to this. So it decreases working capital by 60,000 rupees. We show it in statement of changes in working capital or schedule of changes in working capital. Bills payable 40,000, 60,000. It is increased by 20,000. So we show it in decrease in working capital. Outstanding expenses 8,000, 12,000. 4,000 rupees we show in decrease in working capital. Provision for tax 48,000, 60,000. So any additional information given or not we need to check. Proposed dividend 44,000, 68,000. Fixed assets 6 lakhs, 8 lakh 80,000. Here depreciation on fixed asset was rupees 60,000 charged during the year. I will explain it in ledger account. Later I will prepare that. Stock 1,60,000, 2,40,000. Increase in working capital because current asset. Stock is a current asset. It is increased. Debtors 1,40,000, 2 lakh. Increase in working capital. Bills receivable 60,000, 1 lakh. Increase in working capital 40,000 rupees. Cash 40,000, 60,000. 20,000 rupees increase in working capital. Interim dividend paid rupees 40,000 during the year. Application of fund 40,000 and in fund from operation calculation we add 40,000 to profit. Provision for taxation was made during the year 2018 rupees 50,000. So I will prepare provision for taxation ledger account and show in detail. Depreciation on fixed and this is also I will show in ledger account. Statement of changes in working capital. Particulars 2017, 2018. Amount in rupees, amount in rupees. Increase in working capital rupees, decrease in working capital rupees. Current assets. Stock 1,60,000, 2,40,000. Increase in working capital 80,000. Debtors 1,40,000, 2 lakh. Increase in working capital 60,000. Similarly, bills receivable 60,000, 1 lakh. Increase in working capital 40,000. Cash 40,000, 60,000. Increase in working capital 20,000. Total of current assets 4 lakh, 6 lakh. 4 lakhs and 6 lakhs. Current liabilities. Creditors 60,000, 1 lakh 20,000. Decrease in working capital 60,000 because increase in current liability decreases working capital. That's why. Bills payable 40,000, 60,000. 20,000 decrease in working capital. Outstanding expenses 8,000, 12,000. Decrease in working capital 4,000. Total of current liabilities 1,08,000 and 1,92,000 rupees. Working capital current assets minus current liabilities A minus B 2,92,000, 4,08,000. Changes in working capital. So now total the increase and decrease. Increase in working capital column and decrease in working capital column 2,84,000. 2 lakh and 84,000. So 2 lakh is the highest value here. So difference between 2 lakh and 84,000, 1 lakh 16,000. This is the net increase in working capital, because increase in working capital column total is more than the decrease column, right? That's why. Here also similarly 2,92,000 and 4,80,000. 4,08,000 is the highest value. Difference between 4,08,000 and 2,92,000, 1,16,000 increase in working capital. Ledger accounts, fixed assets account. To balance brought down 6 lakh opening balance, that is given in the balance sheet. By depreciation 60,000, that is given in additional information. By balance carried down, closing balance 8,80,000. The difference of 9,40,000 and 6 lakh rupees. This is the opening balance. To bank purchases, to bank account 3,40,000. By depreciation account 60,000. This is given in balance sheet. This is given in additional information. Closing balance is given in balance sheet and opening balance is given in balance sheet. Difference amount is 3,40,000. This is purchases of fixed assets. Provision for taxation account. By balance brought down 48,000. This is the opening balance. This is the liability and it has credit balance. That's why we show opening balance in credit side. By profit and loss account, provision made during the year 50,000. I hope it is given in additional information. Let us check that. Provision for taxation was made during the year 50,000. You got it right. 48,000 and 60,000 opening and closing balance. Right. Okay. 48,000 opening balance, 50,000 provision made during the year. Total is 98,000. Balance carried down. This is the closing balance 60,000. 98,000 minus 60,000, 38,000. This is the tax actually paid to bank account, 38,000. This is the tax paid. Now come to adjusted profit and loss account. You can either prepare adjusted profit and loss account or computation of fund from operation manually. Okay. By opening balance 1 lakh. This is the P&L account opening balance. By adjusted profit, this will be a balancing figure. Now we need to add interim dividend of 40,000 rupees. Provision for taxation of 50,000 rupees which is made during the year. Interim dividend paid 40,000. Proposed dividend 68,000. Proposed dividend. So I will explain 68,000. Come to the balance sheet. Proposed dividend 68,000. This is the proposed dividend of 2018. So previous year proposed dividend is considered as paid. So we show 44,000 in application side of fund flow statement and 68,000 when we add to current year's profit to arrive at fund from operation. Okay. Adjusted profit and loss account. Proposed dividend 68,000. Depreciation 60,000, that is given in additional information. Transfer to reserve 60,000. To closing balance 2 lakh rupees. By adjusted profit 3,78,000. 4,78,000 is the total of debit side. Credit side we have a balance of 3,78,000. This is the balancing figure. This is considered as adjusted profit or fund from operation. You can prepare computation of fund from operation in this method also. Profit during 2018 2 lakh less profit during 2017 1 lakh. Profit earned during the year 1 lakh rupees. Interim dividend 40,000. Interim dividend, it is an appropriation of profit. So we will add it here and again we will show it in application side. Provision for taxation 50,000. Proposed dividend 68,000. Depreciation 60,000. Depreciation is the book cost, right? Transfer to reserve 60,000. Fund from operation 3,78,000. Fund flow statement of Anil Company Limited for the year ended 31st March 2018. Sources: share capital, issue of shares 2 lakh. The difference amount we got there in balance sheet I have explained you earlier. Fund from operation 3,78,000. Purchase of fixed assets 3,40,000. Tax paid 38,000. Purchase of fixed assets, we got this value in ledger account. Remember this. Tax paid 38,000. This is also found out in ledger account. Dividend paid 44,000. This is, they have not given in additional information. We have considered proposed dividend of previous year is paid in current year. Dividend paid 44,000. Interim dividend 40,000. This is paid. Increase in working capital 1,16,000. This value is there in statement of changes in working capital. Total is 5,78,000, 5,78,000. Note: proposed dividend of previous year is considered as paid. Hope you got the fund flow statement preparation. If you have any doubt in it, please add it in comment section. I will try to explain or answer your queries. Thank you.